At Digiart Design Services, we bring innovation to RPD frame designs using the latest cutting-edge software. Precision, efficiency, and advanced technology come together to create high-quality, custom-fit solutions tailored to your needs. With state-of-the-art tools, every detail is meticulously crafted for superior strength, durability, and comfort. Our expertise ensures seamless digital workflows, reducing production time while maintaining accuracy and aesthetics. Whether for dental professionals or manufacturers, we provide top-tier designs that elevate functionality and performance. Trust Digiart Design Services to deliver excellence in RPD frame design, where technology and craftsmanship redefine possibilities.